The Work Done interactive calculator solves work and energy problems in mechanical systems. Let's explore the input fields. First, there's a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options. Calculate work from force and distance. Calculate force from work and distance. Calculate distance from work and force. Calculate work on inclined plane. Calculate rotational work torque. And calculate work with average force. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate work from force and distance. The input fields include force in newtons, distance in meters, angle in degrees, which defaults to 0, work in joules, mass in kilograms, incline angle in degrees, friction coefficient, torque in newton meters, angular displacement in radians, initial force in newtons, and final force in newtons. Here's a worked example. I'll input force equals 10 newtons, distance equals 10 meters, and angle equals 10 degrees. After clicking calculate, the results show work done equals 98.48 joules, which represents the energy transferred when the force acts at an angle. The force component equals 9.85 newtons, showing the effective force in the direction of motion. Power at 1 meter per second equals 98.48 watts, indicating the rate of energy transfer at unit velocity. This calculator streamlines work calculations for engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.